If you're the work hard, play hard type, you're looking at the perfect partnership because the new UFORCE lineup of utility side-by-sides like to have fun and put the nose to the grindstone. Whether there's a job to do or deer to track, there's a UFORCE machine built to take it on. And all of our UFORCE models come standard with so many features the competition charges extra for. The UFORCE 500 and UFORCE 800 models feature dual bucket seats so you can bring along an extra hand. They also feature a 600-pound capacity gas-assisted dumping cargo box. The awesome UFORCE 1000 offers even more raw power with an amazing 1000 V-twin EFI engine, plus a 3-person bench seat that folds open for additional storage. And no job's too big with a large volume 1,000-pound capacity dumping cargo box. No matter which UFORCE machine you choose, you'll have plenty of help to get the job done, even though it might not feel much like work. Get in a UFORCE today, then get out and experience more together.